Hello guys, a new coin for Telegram app, new mining coin for free using Telegram app. All link will be in description, also on the first comment of the video. Also of other mining coin, all will be listed in the first comment of the video. They have the same action. It's based in tapping in the screen. This is the home page. Let's go to our Telegram app and see how it's work. We click start like that, we click let's go, we click like that. The link will be in description, also on the first comment of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Like you see, you get 1000 taps. You just tap like that. You use an auto clicker. It's very simple. You complete all your taps. There is move if you want to send or receive your coin to a friend. Here swap, it's pays for all crypto, like you see. You can swap your mined coin into your address Bitcoin or Tether or Binance or Queen or Tron or Litecoin. Payment will be in crypto, like you see. Click swap. I don't have enough. Like you see, minimum swap. Let's see minimum swap. 8 million. Made to invite friends. Here booster. For booster you can buy a booster. It's a robot that collects for you free free tapper without any interaction of you. You can buy one booster here and get free tapper to your account. That's all. For the first, it gives you one robot for free trial for 24 hours. When you click the robot, its robot balance is $5. Is for one pay. If we want this, if you unlock, try to unlock this one, you must pay to this address, your personal Bitcoin address. Top up your balance to activate the robot and your abstract account. At one time transfer is 0.4022 BTC. You can use Tether. It's for 20 USDT. This one you can pay here. That's how it works. Or you can do manually, daily. Enter the bot and click the bot, like you see. It collect clicks for you, like you see. Here it will collect for you energy. After that you click here. It always increasing. Daily you enter. You use an auto clicker to claim all your coins and let it for a while and return. It will be here full energy. Like you see, it's here to this level will be full energy. That's how it's work. It's very simple. It's opportunity to earn free crypto from Telegram. All link for other coins Telegram will be in the description, also on the first comment of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.